Albert Einstein didn't speak until he was 4. His teachers thought he'd never amount to anything, but behind those silent eyes was a mind questioning everything. If you've ever felt like you didn't fit in or that the world didn't understand you, Einstein's story will remind you just how powerful being different can be. By age 15, Einstein had enough and dropped out of school, shocking his family. His parents feared for his future, wondering what would become of a boy without a proper education. The world had written him off as a failure, but Einstein refused to give up. Determined to continue learning on his terms, he moved to Switzerland and aimed to enter the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. Though his journey would still face challenges, Albert Einstein's path was far from smooth. When he first applied to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, he failed the entrance exam, not because of his math or physics skills, but due to his weak performance in other subjects. Undeterred, Einstein studied hard, retook the exam, and was eventually accepted. It was here he met Mileva Maric, a fellow physicist, and they married in 1903, having 2 sons together. However, as Einstein's career soared, their marriage suffered. His intense focus on his work left Mileva feeling neglected and overshadowed. Their relationship fell apart, leading to a divorce in 1919, which deeply affected Mileva, causing her to have a breakdown. Einstein later married his cousin, Elsa Lowenthal, but even this marriage faced challenges. Known for multiple affairs, Einstein struggled to balance his personal and professional life, leading to emotional turmoil and strained relationships despite his extraordinary mind. Despite the complications in his personal life, Albert Einstein's professional achievements were groundbreaking. In 1905, often called his miracle year, while working as a patent clerk, Einstein published 4 revolutionary papers that transformed science. One of these introduced the theory of special relativity, with the famous equation E equals mc squared, linking energy and mass, a discovery that paved the way for advancements in nuclear energy and space exploration. In 1915, Einstein further astonished the world with his general theory of relativity, changing how we understand gravity, space, and time. His visionary work redefined fundamental concepts in physics. However, recognition wasn't immediate. Despite his revolutionary ideas, Einstein didn't receive the Nobel Prize in Physics until 1921, and surprisingly, it wasn't for relativity. Instead, he was honored for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, which became crucial in developing quantum mechanics. Over time, Einstein's genius became universally acknowledged, making him a global icon. As Einstein's fame grew, so did the controversies surrounding him. When the Nazis rose to power in 1933, they dismissed his work as Jewish physics. Being Jewish, Einstein was forced to flee Germany and settle in the United States, where he became a professor at Princeton University. However, even in his new home, controversy followed him. Einstein strongly advocated for peace and civil rights, speaking out against war. He famously warned President Franklin D. Roosevelt about Nazi Germany's potential to develop nuclear weapons, which led to the creation of the Manhattan Project. Despite his opposition to war, Einstein understood the urgency of preventing the Nazis from acquiring such a weapon first. In a strange twist, after Einstein died in 1955, a pathologist stole his brain, hoping to uncover the secret of his genius. It was an unusual and unsettling end for one of history's greatest minds. Albert Einstein's legacy goes far beyond scientific equations. He fundamentally reshaped our understanding of the universe, from predicting black holes to laying the groundwork for quantum mechanics. His theories revolutionized science and continue to influence advancements in technology and space exploration today. However, Einstein's greatest legacy isn't just his genius, it's his perseverance. He refused to give up despite facing rejection, failure, and being labeled as a misfit. His story is a testament to the power of resilience and the strength of embracing what makes us different. If you've ever felt like you don't fit in, remember Einstein. He was once the boy who couldn't speak, the student who dropped out, and the man who failed exams. Yet, he went on to change how we see the world. His life shows us that sometimes those who don't fit in are the ones who truly change the world.